So students, let us start exercise 3.2. Okay, so simplify question number 1a. 30 minus bracket 14 plus again 16 minus 12 minus 10. Okay, so question is 30 minus this fourth bracket, then 14 plus third bracket 16 minus plus this one is the second bracket 12 minus 10. So according to the BODMAS, at first you have to do the brackets work, and the brackets works again that rule. There is first no line bar, so at first you have to solve this one. You have to do the work of this bracket, next this bracket, next the bar bracket. Okay, so look at this one. So 30 minus this bracket 14 plus, so this remains same, 16 minus, so look at this one. This one is the your first task. So 12 minus 10 it becomes 2. So these brackets remain same and this bracket remains same. So now 30 minus this bracket, so 14 plus, now you have to do this, 16 minus 2 is 14. So after solving that, these brackets are omits. Okay, so now this one, so 30 minus 14 plus 14 becomes 28. Automatically these brackets remove. Okay, so 30 minus 28 becomes 2. I think all of you understand this. Again I repeat this one. So given question is 30 minus within box bracket 14 plus within curly bracket 16 minus within the second bracket small bracket 12 minus 10. Okay, so applying the BODMAS theorem, at first you have to recognize the brackets. So which one we have to do the first? So first one we have to do the job of this under this bracket, second this one, third this one. Okay, so now look at this 30 minus, so this bracket remains same, 14 plus this bracket remains same. Now 16 minus, so solve this work of the bracket. So 12 minus 10 becomes 2, and this after solving this automatically the brackets will omit. Okay, so next this comes to this position and this bracket remains same. So now we have to do the work of this bracket under this bracket. So 30 minus this bracket remains same, 14 plus 16 minus 2 is what, 14. So after solving this automatically this bracket removes. So do next 30 minus 14 plus 14 becomes 28. After solving this automatically this bracket removes. So 30 minus 28 becomes 2. So answer is 2. I think all of you understand. Okay, so come to the question number B. Question number B. So exercise 3.2. Question number B. So question number B is 250 minus 14 plus 15 into 10 plus 5 minus 3 bracket closed one by one. Okay, so 250 minus within third bracket within box bracket 14 plus again within curly bracket 15 into within small bracket 10 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, so now at first we have to solve the work of this bracket. So like this, 250 minus first bracket remains at 14 plus, so 15 into, now 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 minus 3 is 12. You can directly write this, or again you can write one step more. So 10 plus 5 is 15, now minus 3 using the BODMAS, at first subtraction, okay, at first addition then subtraction. So now 250 minus, this one is 14 plus, so 15 into, now work the bracket and then automatically bracket will remove. So 15 minus 3 becomes 12. So now this bracket removes, so automatically these brackets come here. So now 250 minus, so this one is 14 plus, so 15 into 2, 15 to 10 is 150, again 15 into 30, so it becomes 180. After solving this brackets remove. Okay, so now 250 minus 180 plus 14, it becomes 194. Whenever you add this, solve this, then this brackets remove. So 250 minus 194, it becomes 56. Okay, I think all of you understand. Again I repeat this. So 250 minus within box bracket 14 plus within curly bracket 15 into first bracket 10 plus 5 minus, not first bracket, small bracket 10 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, so at first 10 plus 5, at first we have to solve the work under this bracket. So 10 plus 5 becomes 15 minus 3. All other remain same. So 250 minus third bracket 14 plus curly bracket 15 into 15 minus 3 is what? 12. All other remain same. So 250 minus 14 plus 15 into 12 becomes 80. Whenever you do the work, then brackets automatically remove. So 80. So 250 minus 14 plus 180 becomes 194. So 250 minus 194 becomes 56. Clear? I think all of you understand this. Now come to the question number C. 3/4 of bracket 16 plus 5 into 10 minus 2. Okay, so this one is a mixed fraction, turns into improper fraction. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 becomes 11. So 11/4 of means multiplication. Now 16 plus 5 into 10 minus 2. So now 11/4 into 16 plus 5 into, so first bracket box small brackets work we have to do first. So 10 minus 2 becomes 8. So 11/4 into 16 plus 8 5 is what? 40. Okay, so this one is okay, 40. So 11/4 into 40 plus 16 becomes 56. So this one 4 1, this one is 14. So 11 into 14, 154. Okay, again I repeat this. 3/4 of 6 within box bracket 16 plus within curly bracket 5 into the small bracket 10 minus 2. So this one is a mixed fraction. We have to do in improper fraction. So 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 11. So 11/4 of means multiplication into within box bracket 16 plus within curly bracket 5 into 10 minus 2. So 11/4 into, at first we have to do this work. Okay, so 10 minus 2 becomes 8. So after doing this, automatically this small bracket removes. So only curly brackets and box bracket remains. Okay, so 11/4 into 16 plus now 5 into 8. Okay, so 11/4 plus into, now we have to do the work of the curly bracket. So 5 into 8, 40. So 16 plus 40. Doing this, after doing this, bracket automatically removed. Okay, so 11/4 into 16 plus 40. So now we have to do the work of within the box bracket. So 16 plus 40 becomes 56. So bracket removes. Now 11/4 into 56, very easy. So 4, whenever you, this is a multiplication of a fraction to a whole number. So you can divide by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 14 50. So 14 into 11 becomes 154. Okay, I think all of you understand this. Okay, now come to the question number, one question where the first bracket is okay. So now come to the question number G. G is 500 divided by, okay, before G actually I have to solve suppose one question related to division. Okay, one question related to division I think. So question number D. 56 minus 18 minus 20 minus 20 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, so 56 minus third bracket 18 minus curly not third bracket, box bracket 18 minus curly bracket 20 minus again small bracket 20 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, so now 56 minus, look at this one, 18 minus 20 minus, so we have to do the work of the first bracket, but again in this case you have to apply the BODMAS. Okay, so minus 20 minus 4, so 20 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2, so 4 divided by 2 it becomes 2 into 2. Okay, so now 56 minus 18 minus 20 minus, so now 20, next work is multiplication, 20 minus 4, so this one is 56 minus 18 minus 20 minus 20 minus 4 is 16, so this bracket automatically removed. Okay, so 56 minus 18 minus 20 minus 16 is 4, so bracket is removed, so 56 minus 18 minus 4 is 14, so 56 minus 14 becomes 42. Okay, so again I repeat this one, 56 minus within box bracket 18 minus within curly bracket 20 minus within small bracket 20 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. So in this small within this small bracket there is a work of BODMAS. At first we have to do the work of division, after then multiplication, after then addition and subtraction. Okay, so 56 minus third bracket box bracket remains same, 18 minus curly bracket remains same, 20 minus within small bracket 24 divided by 2, that means minus 2, this one is minus symbol, so 4 divided by 2 and remaining is multiplied 2 into 2. Now 56 minus 18 minus this bracket remains same, 20 minus within this you have to do so multiple, so 20 minus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so now 56 minus remain box bracket remains same, 18 minus curly bracket remains same, 20. Now this minus becomes this one, and 20 minus 4 is 16. Yeah, so automatically this bracket removed, the small bracket. So now 56 minus box bracket remains same, 18 minus 20 minus 16 is 4. So this minus and 20 minus 16 is 4. So this curly bracket removed. So now 56 minus 18 minus 4 is what? 14, and automatically box bracket removed. So 56 minus 14 becomes 42. Okay, I think all of you understand this. So next question I will solve the question number Z. Question number Z is 500 divided by 10 plus second bracket 25 into first bracket 23 small bracket 23 minus 9, this one is bracket divided by 8 minus 1, this one is the another bracket. Okay, so now like this. So at first we have to do the work of first bracket here. So this one is, so third bracket remains 500 divided by 10 plus, so second bracket remains same, not second bracket, curly bracket, so 25 into small bracket remains same. At first we have to do the work of first bracket, this one is the first bracket or bar bracket. So 23 minus 9, it becomes 14 divided by 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Okay, so now this bracket remains 500 divided by 10 plus this bracket remains same, 25 into, now 14 divided by 7 becomes 2, automatically small bracket remove. Okay, so now 500 divided by 10 plus 25 into 2, it becomes 50. So this bracket removes, only this bracket remains. Now we have to use the DMS at first division. 500 divided by 10, it becomes 50 plus 50. So this one is 100. Okay. I think all of you understand. Again I repeat this one. So within box bracket 500 divided by 10 plus curly bracket 25 into within small bracket 23 minus 9 under the line bar bracket divided by 8 minus 1 under the bar bracket. So at first we have to do the work of bar bracket. So box bracket remains same, 500 divided by 10 plus second bracket curly bracket remains same, 25 into. So now small bracket remains same. Within the small bracket we have to do the work of the first bracket. So 23 minus 9 becomes 14 and divided 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Clear? Now 500 divided by 10 plus this one remains same. Now 25 into do the work of the small bracket. So 14 divided by 7 becomes 2. All other bracket remains same. So now 500 divided by 10 plus, so 25 into 2 becomes 50. So curly bracket removed. So now 500 divided by 10 plus 50. So we have to only we are left on of third bracket, sorry, box bracket, and we have to do the apply the DMS. So at first division works. So 500 divided by 10 becomes 50 plus 50. So 50 plus 50 becomes 100. Okay. So I think for today this class is over. I think all of you just do some homeworks. Okay. Homeworks I will give on your pace. Okay. Thank you.